ChitChat English.
I want to level up my English.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, the school year is starting soon.
You are right. You should improve your speaking.
I don't have a partner to practice. How can I learn English alone?
You can start by reading simple books.
What kind of books should I read?
Try reading children's books or short stories.
Should I watch English movies?
Yes, with subtitles is helpful.
Should I listen to English music?
Yes, listening to music can help with pronunciation.
How can I practice speaking alone?
You can talk to yourself or repeat phrases from videos.
What about writing?
Writing helps you remember new words.
What should I write about?
You can write about your day.
Can I use apps to learn English?
Yes, apps like Duolingo is good for learning.
Should I learn English grammar?
Grammar helps you speak correctly.
Should it be perfect?
You don't need to be perfect at the start.
Should I focus on learning new words?
Yes, it will help you speak more.
How many new words should I learn every day?
Start with 5 to 10 new words each day.
What if I forget the words?
It's okay. Review them often.
How often should I study English?
Try to study a little every day.
I make mistakes when I speak English.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
How can I improve my pronunciation?
Listen to native speakers and repeat after them.
How can I practice listening?
You can listen to podcasts or watch videos.
What if I don't understand when people speak fast?
For improving it, listen to slower audio.
Can I be fluent in English?
Daily practice will help you become more fluent.
I want to test my English level.
You can take online tests to check your progress.
Can I learn English by watching cartoons?
Yes, that's easy to understand.
How can I stay motivated to learn English alone?
Set small goals and reward yourself when you reach them.
I try to think in English.
Thinking in English will help you become more fluent.
I like to read English blogs.
Oh, it can help you learn new words and phrases.
What should I do if I feel stuck?
Take a break, then try a new way to study.
What kind of ways?
For example, games or songs.
Should I celebrate small achievements?
It helps you stay positive and keep learning.
I learn English while doing other things.
Yes, listen to English while cooking or exercising.
I want to learn English faster.
Study more and use English every day.
How can I use English every day?
Change your phone to English. Think in English.
What if I don't have much time?
Even 10 minutes a day helps. Try to make English a habit.
How quickly can I become fluent?
It depends on how much you practice, but you can improve a lot in a few months.
What opportunities will I have if I speak English?
You can travel, meet new people, get better jobs, and study abroad.
How can English help me with technology?
Most websites, apps, and software are in English.
What if I want to start a business?
English can help you reach customers around the world.
Can learning English online help me?
Yes, there are many online resources like videos, courses, and language exchange groups.
Can I find a job online if I learn English?
Yes, you can find remote jobs, freelance work, and international clients.
What if I want to attend international conferences?
It helps you join and meet professionals.
How can English help me with international exams?
TOEFL and IELTS are in English, so it's important for passing them.
How can learning English change my life?
Learning English opens up new opportunities, boosts your confidence, and connects you with the world.
Can I find a job online if I learn English?
Yes, you can find remote jobs, freelance work, and international clients.
What if I want to attend international conferences?
It helps you join and meet professionals.
How can English help me with international exams?
TOEFL and IELTS are in English, so it's important for passing them.
How can learning English change my life?
Learning English opens up new opportunities, boosts your confidence, and connects you with the world.